This is the fund's asset allocation in terms of percentages as of December. You'll see that equities constitute the largest portion at 66%. We also have private equity at 2%, properties at 6%. In terms of offshore investments, we are at 0%, and it's an area we're looking into investing. We have got other assets which are just generally classified as other assets at 1%. Government securities are standing at 16%. We have cash, which in December we had 1%. Fixed deposits, we're standing at 7%. And of course, we also invested in corporate bonds, which is standing at 1%. Now, before I continue on this particular presentation, let me go back to my notes and indicate that among other instruments that the fund uses, it's an investment strategy which we developed in 2022 and this was under the previous cohorts. And we, through that investment strategy, identified the hospitality sector as one of the areas where we could make investments for the members and their beneficiaries. And we have 3 fund managers. I'm sure this has been communicated to you. We have got Old Mutual Investment Group, NICO Asset Managers, and Continental Asset Management. Now, when we look at the Amaryllis transaction, you find that the engagements started somewhere around 2023. This is because our investment strategy had actually delegated to our fund managers the investments into the hospitality sector by assigning NICO Asset Managers the responsibility to acquire